800 Beers' Way, caller states there's an accident.
374-225 will be off 800 Beers.
Receive, caller states it's truck first pull.
Yeah, that's affirmed. 3 Hotel Bravo 362. We got a rescue started. There's airbag deployment. Facial laceration as well.
They're on BS right at the main entrance, 800.
Received.
Told there was a passenger. I had a traffic stop with this truck the other night. I attached that. If you could look in-house and see what unit they're in, so we can check their location.
There's some 1410. Take photos here as well. Received.
210-374.
Got it.
DCI is en route. Registered owner of that vehicle, Daniel Boyce, has multiple switchblade charges.
You guys have any luck finding that passenger?
232-374. It's going to be a dentist at apartment
214 from 210 direct. You guys have any luck finding that passenger?
affirmative. We're all speaking with him now.
Okay, does he look like he's in need of rescue?
Yeah, we'll request one for just an eval right now. We got a little head laceration, minor, but with the airbag deployment, we'll probably get him checked out.
Okay, receive 214 from 210. Rescue's just going to be releasing this driver, and then they will be headed your way. And rescue's just going to be releasing this driver, and then they will be headed your way. I'll take photos as well. Receive. Seven with one OUI, motor vehicle charges.
Received.
We made contact with that operator. 232 is on the east.
Received east up.
374-210 AR from the OUI.
Received. It's going to be 1442 AR. 1442 AR.